Hi, my name is Brendan Schenk, and today we're going to be reviewing how to use the ProMaster Braun Ramp. Step 1. The ramp is stowed in a folded position behind the co-pilot seat. To deploy the ramp, begin by pulling the latch upward to unlock it. Step 2. Roll the ramp toward the vehicle entry door until it locks. Step 3. Then, use the handle on the ramp to pull the ramp out until it is fully extended. Step 4. The ramp can now be placed on the ground and is ready for use. Step 5. To return the ramp to its stowed position, use the handle on the ramp to lift and push until the ramp folds at the vehicle entry door. Step 6. Pull the red lever on your left to unlock the ramp from its current locked position. Step 7. Roll the ramp toward the back of the co-pilot seat until it locks in its stowed position. This concludes our review of the ProMaster Braun Ramp. If you have additional questions or are ready to purchase, please give us a call at 888-633-8380 or give us a visit at www.creativebussales.com. This is Brendan Schenk, and thank you for watching.